Hi, this is Joseph Wolf. We've had a great day here insulating another smart customer's home with cellulose spray insulation. I want to show you something that not a lot of people have necessarily seen, but cellulose is made of recycled newspaper. It's got boric acid, which is found in common eye cleaners like Visine, and it's got borax, which is a common household soap. With those and recycled newspaper, it's non-toxic, and it can't hurt you. It's the greenest of the green. So now that we've insulated this home, I wanted to show you a couple things. One, it's put in at almost 3 pounds per square foot. So as you can see, there's no room for settling. As I tap on this wall, I feel that it's somewhat firm, okay, but not hard. So it's still a little bit soft, but firm. And it's stuck to the side walls and the back walls, the wiring, the plumbing, and everything that it touches for the life of the home. It's guaranteed not to settle, and it's guaranteed not to mold or mildew. It's also in a Class 1 fire rating. You can see another video that I've done if you want to see that. It's about a fire test of cellulose. That will show you that this actually withstands the penetrating, forceful heat of a torch as I hold it in my hand. So one of the greatest things about cellulose insulation is it stops air infiltration, and that's the big deal. Our value does not cover air infiltration. Our value measures the conduction that happens when a heat from outside is forcing its way through a specific material to the inside of the home. What it does not cover is air infiltration, and that is such a significant part of what we do. We stop air infiltration. Air infiltration is what generally causes heat loss. So by stopping the air infiltration, we allow the home to hold a constant temperature, whether you want it cool or warm or very warm. Some people like it very warm. Either way, it won't take you a lot of energy to maintain that climate in that room when you use cellulose insulation. And lastly, as I said, not only can I eat it, but with fiberglass insulation, when you turn on the heating inside of a home, little glass particles are floating around inside your home for the life of the home. I mean, you can get rid of a lot of it through changing your air filters and whatnot, but you'll notice that there are still little glass particles floating around endlessly in your home. With cellulose, you eliminate those dangerous particles that are harmful for your respiratory system, and you give yourself a green product, recycled newspaper, trees. I think that that's a very smart choice for this homeowner when they chose to go with cellulose spray insulation. I've used it personally in my home, and it has greatly reduced my heating and cooling costs. So again, I want to thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching and taking a look at this. One other thing I'd like to show you is what we do up at the top. We do a spray treatment along all plates. We do it in the basement, we do it on the floor plates, and we also do it above the top plates to where the air chamber goes down into the soffit. We place a bag in there and staple it nice and firmly, and then the thickness of the wall, it's sprayed above that plate. So if a driving wind comes and pushes, it's not going to throw the insulation away and cause gaps to occur, which I've seen personally in some of the jobs that I've gone back to look at. So that's one way to eliminate that. So thanks for watching, and this was Joseph Wolf, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.